Really, you know, I don't like the kitchen, but I kind of experimenting at my old age. Yeah. Love to eat, but I don't really like the kitchen still. And I can cook, but I really, really don't like the kitchen. Jamaican food is fresh. We have it fresh from the ground, and we provide it. Even the fish from the sea, we don't even have to use many seasoning with it. We just a little green onion and a little we call it scallion, a little thyme and a little country pepper. And that is enough to keep. Here, you have to put a lot of different ingredients to make the food really come up to taste how you'd want it to taste. But between the both of them, I love Jamaica food. I love everything about Jamaican food. It just tasty. The right spice when the Jamaicans cook it. Not too hot. And not too blunt. When we cook back home, you just love your food. Not care what you cook, how simple the meal, it's just delicious. Since I come to Canada and everything, I cook the same simple food, but it just not have the flavor. So I think probably maybe the soil have a lot to do with the actual food. And when the fly come over the sea, just lost its flavor. I come over here still and I try a little spin, even like today. I try a little recipe thing, foreign style. You know, a mixture of, it's just a simple salad, chicken salad, them call it. Big name, Parmesan chicken salad. With Italian seasoning and thing. It nice and tasty still, but because still kind of altered the recipe. I had seasoned it Jamaican way first, you know, and then me put it down, make it marinate, and then me do it, add for them little thing pan it for, so it can come out kind of like them picture where them send come give me if you cook it. So I'm into trying new stuff. The dish that I actually prepared, you know, I think it's more of an, I would say Italian kind. It was nice. It's good. It's good, and I really do like trying out the dishes. But I don't, somehow still I have to add a little Jamaican thing in it. To really have the pep up the taste. Yeah. I'm preparing to cook some baked chicken with pineapple and vegetable because, you know, even though we are living in Canada, we don't too much like the Canada cooking. So we must do Jamaica cooking. And my dish, me put some onion, garlic, thyme, and little black pepper and little salt, no grease. Just set it in the oven and make it one gravy, cooked it one way, okay? And then after which we put some vegetable and so forth and eat it. Healthy cooking, real healthy food, okay? You can try some yourself. Take out of the oven. So we'll wait for the dessert to finish cooking. This is the salad. You get that?
Yeah.
And this is our rice over here.